has this been operating?
Since 1992 po, then nag-reopen po in the last 2020.
Hello. Today is Saturday. As part of my advocacy, syempre, tourism ang number one. So, I will be honest, this is new to me. First time po magbisita sa National Museum of the Philippines. As you can see, it encompasses information sa bilog na Bicolandia. Malibot-libot po kita, iba na nindo ako. Still, liyaon po kita sa Bicol National Museum. This is part of the National Museum of the Philippines. Today po, ang naukudunta na at least 30 na volcanoes po ang nagbilog ang parte kang Bicol region. Trivia, I guess some of you day pa po aram na Mount Lignyon Hill is also a volcano. Who would have thought that Lignyon Hill is a volcano? And then Mount Mayon is the most active one na nag-erupt po 50 times already. We all know na sikatun po kita sa Mount Mayon because this is one of the perfect cones in the world. At Mount Masaraga, ini po so tiga campingan sa may 3rd district. Siyempre, nasa mountain siya, so malipot. It's a very scenic view. Sana matry nindo. So, yun po. Pag nagbisita po kamo digdi, free entrance. So, this is not just for student. Siyempre po, sa mga bisita, not just from Manila or foreigners, but nearby provinces. Kaya po, sana makadigdi ka mo. Saro po ining magayuno na facility na tigo-offer kang sa tuyang government, especially the Agency of National Museum of the Philippines. Another trivia, mahilig ang butterfly sa mga citrus. Lime, calamansi,